Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download Chrome browser on your PC or your laptop. First of all you have to do is click on the Windows icon on the bottom left, and then all you have to do is search Edge and click on Microsoft Edge. And then in the Google search bar you have to search Google Chrome. And then you have to click on Download Google Chrome on the search result. A new page will open. From here all you have to do is click on Download Chrome. Click on it. Chrome setup file will start to download on your browser. Once downloaded, all you have to do is click on Open File. And then Google Chrome will start to download on your PC. Once downloaded, all you have to do is click on the Windows icon once again and search for Chrome. And Google Chrome will show on your search result. You have to click on it. And now Google Chrome has been successfully downloaded on your PC. And that's how to download Chrome browser on your PC. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.